Okay, Mom, this is silly, but I am taking video of our new car. This is the inside. Let's see. So, sit right down. That's the 4 headphones. Passenger. Okay, so I have to show you. Here's the nav. And I would just push this button and watch what it does. And then there's the CD player in there. Super cool, huh? We have the female voice setting on the navigation system. I've named her Maribel. The man's voice's name is Chauncey. So, here's all that. Here's the back of the car. We took the center seat out for driving purposes. Kiva, I have him right there, but he wants to sit in the back row with Kyan when we travel. Colin's going to sit in this chair. Now we're getting out. This is the steering area. And then I want to get a shot of how pretty it is. Watch the door slides. Closes and latches. So let me go over here. Oh, hi, you can see me through the window. Okay. Oh, the sun is shining. That's our new car. I'm so excited, I can't even stand it. Here's the back. Oh, do you want to see the trunk? Okay, hold on. Here's the back trunk. There's a big old well. Now when I get groceries, I won't have to hold the Cherokee back up and throw the groceries in there. That's it. Bye.